Hello everybody, this is Dennis from the YouTube channel Multilingual. Please subscribe to my channel, please put thumbs up if you like the videos, and I'll be glad to read from you any feedback, any suggestions or requests that you have. Last time, it was the lesson 8, we learned the prepositional case of the Russian language. There are 6 cases in the modern Russian language. We're not speaking about the Russian language of some centuries ago where there were more cases. The prepositional cases is used in the sentences where the answer, the question is where. For example, where do you travel? I travel in the United States. Где ты путешествуешь? Я путешествую в Америке. And the ending a America becomes ye, в Америке. Okay? If the ending is iya, for example, I'm in Russia. Okay? Я в России. So, Россия becomes я в России, I am in Russia, и я becomes ii. But this was last time. So, the prepositions that can be used with the prepositional case are v, na, o. Today we are going to learn a new verb. So, put it in your verbs list, and it is говорить, which means to speak, to talk, to say, depending on the context, okay? Говорить, to speak. I speak, я говорю. Ты говоришь. Он, она, оно говорит. Let's put it black. We speak, мы говорим. You speak, вы говорите. They speak, они говорят. So, as I told you a couple of lessons ago, when you have e vowel here in the second singular and ya or a vowel here in the third person plural, it is the second conjugation. Okay? Good. For example, well, the past will be говорил, говорила or говорили, and the future will be я буду говорить, because the infinite is говорить. Okay? So, as you know, the a ending in the prepositional case will be ye. So, if I want to say I'm talking or I speak about Helen, which in Russian is Елена, Елена, it will be я говорю о Елене, where a becomes ye. Okay? Now, a couple of question words. О чем means what about. Actually, чем is что, which means what in the prepositional case, okay? О чем. So some forms can be absolutely different in the prepositional case. О ком, кто means what. О ком means about who or about whom, okay? Об этом means about this, okay? So ob. It's not o anymore for the reasons as it is called in linguistics of euphony. So to sound well, it is better to say not aetam, but abetam. It is more fluent, okay, in pronunciation. So abetam means about this, okay? Now, the question is, what are you talking about? О чем ты говоришь? О чем, what about, ты, you, говоришь, talking. I am talking about Russia. Я говорю о России. Okay? Я говорю о, about, as I told you last time, means about России. Did you speak about America? Ты говорил об Америке. Об. So, o can become ob, as I told you 5 minutes ago, for the reasons of euphony, okay? So, if there is a vowel after it, then it is ob, okay? Ты говорил об Америке. Did you speak about America? No, I didn't speak about America. I spoke about England. Нет, я не говорил об Америке. Я говорил об Англии. I will be speaking about America tomorrow. Я буду говорить об Америке завтра. Good. So, об этом means about this. You know that we have already learned the verb знать, to know, which is this one. Okay? Do you know about this? Ты знаешь об этом? Did you know about this? Ты знал об этом? The reply can be, no, I didn't know about this. Нет, я не знал об этом. But I will know about this. Let's put it like this. Но я буду знать об этом. Но means but. Okay? So if it's a new word for you, please put it down in your notebook. Я буду знать об этом. Yulia is a Russian name. Yulia. And since in the nominative case the ending is iya, in the prepositional case it will be ee. That's right. So the question is, about whom are you talking, or who are you talking about? О ком ты? Let's put it, who is he talking about? О ком он говорит? Okay? So, о ком means about whom. Who is he talking about? О ком он говорит? He's talking about Yulia. Он говорит о Юлии. Right? So Yulia becomes Yuli. O is pronounced a because it is logically, morphologically linked to the word Yulia, and it depends on its accent, on its stress, sorry. Он говорит о Юлии. Are we talking about Helen? Мы говорим о Елене. No, We spoke about Helen. Now we are talking about Юлия. Нет, мы говорили о Елене. Сейчас мы говорим о Юлии. Okay. The verb знать, to know, can also be used with the prepositional case if there is the preposition o, to know about. For example, did you know about Helen? Ты знал о Елене? No, I didn't know. Нет, я не знал. And we can say, I knew about Yulia. Я знал о Юлии. Okay. Быть, to be. I am in Russia. Я в России. No verb to be in the present. I was in Moscow yesterday. Я был в Москве вчера. Москве is prepositional case, right? Вчера means yesterday. There is a Russian city which is called Tula. It's a couple of hours to the south of Moscow. I will be in Tula tomorrow. Я буду в Туле завтра. Okay, so a becomes ye in the prepositional case. Okay, where? In Tula. I will be in Tula tomorrow. Okay. Now, if there is a soft sign, like in the word кровать, which is feminine and means bed where you sleep, okay? In the prepositional case, it becomes I. You know the word спать, the verb спать. Let's say, I am sleeping in the bed, okay? Я сплю в кровати, okay? Where do you sleep? Где ты спишь? The answer is я сплю в кровати. Okay, but комната means a room. Okay, and in the prepositional it will be в комнате, the rule that we have already learned. To the question где ты спишь, we can also answer I sleep in the room. Я сплю в комнате. Okay, I sleep in room. I sleep in the room. The question is, where is the room? Где? Where is the bed? Где кровать? Where is the bed? The bed is in the room. Кровать в комнате, right? Where is the room? Где комната? The room is in the house. The house is дом. Дом. Комната в доме. Ending ye, prepositional case. Okay? Or you can also say the room is in the apartment or flat. Комната в квартире, because квартира means apartment. Комната в квартире. Okay? What's in the apartment? Что в квартире? There is a room in the apartment. В квартире, in the apartment. Квартире. Комната. What's in the room? Что в комнате? There is a bed in the room. В комнате кровать. What do you do on the bed? Что ты делаешь на кровати? Okay? So кровать becomes E in the prepositional case. На means on, meaning on the top of. So this is the preposition на. Что ты делаешь на кровати? You can also say в кровати. You can also say, yeah, в кровати. I sleep on the bed. Я сплю в кровати. Okay? Я сплю в кровати. That's okay. So, today we have learned the verb говорить, and you know how to say, to speak about somebody or something. The question constructions о чем, about whom, о ком, about what, о ком, about whom, об этом, about this. We have learned the new words like the proper names Елена, which becomes о Елене, or Yulia, Юлии, okay, and the some words referring to the house, which can be кровать, bed, комната, room, дом, house, квартира, apartment. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please subscribe to my channel. Please put thumbs up if you like it. And I'm waiting for your feedback and for your comments. Bye bye.